Coffee lovers know that a rich and creamy layer of milk foam can completely transform an ordinary drink into a cafe-style experience. However, creating that perfect foam at home is not always easy. That is where the large-capacity 4-in-1 electric milk frother steps in. Designed with a powerful 450-watt motor, this machine promises professional-quality foam in just 2 minutes. With a large 350 milliliter capacity for warming milk and 180 milliliters for frothing, it can prepare multiple servings in one cycle. Whether the goal is a smooth cappuccino, a creamy latte, a rich macchiato, or even a refreshing iced coffee, this frother is built to handle it. Thanks to its high-speed motor, the foam comes out thick, silky, and consistent every time. As a result, busy mornings become much more enjoyable because delicious coffee drinks can be prepared quickly without waiting in long cafe lines. Beyond speed, this milk frother focuses on delivering consistent results through intelligent temperature control. Instead of simply heating milk, it carefully maintains the ideal temperature between 65 and 70 degrees Celsius. This helps prevent burnt milk while preserving its natural sweetness and smooth texture. Even better, the appliance offers 4 practical functions in one compact design. It can produce hot, dense foam for cappuccinos, hot, airy foam for lattes, cold froth for iced beverages, and gently warm milk for hot chocolate, matcha, or bedtime drinks. Because of these versatile settings, it easily adapts to different tastes throughout the day. Families can prepare several drinks with one appliance, while guests can enjoy cafe-quality beverages without the need for expensive coffee shop equipment. Therefore, this machine offers convenience as well as flexibility for nearly every coffee enthusiast. Another impressive feature is its thoughtful construction and ease of maintenance. The interior is made from premium SUS 304 stainless steel, a material known for its durability and food safety. Meanwhile, the dual-layer non-stick coating prevents milk from sticking to the surface, making cleanup fast and simple. Instead of spending time scrubbing dried milk residue, users can simply rinse the container and wipe it clean with a soft cloth. Furthermore, the frother operates at less than 55 decibels, making it much quieter than many similar appliances. This whisper-quiet performance allows early morning coffee preparation without disturbing sleeping family members or roommates. In addition, its scratch-resistant design helps maintain its attractive appearance even after daily use. These practical details make the appliance not only functional, but also reliable for long-term use in any modern kitchen. Safety and energy efficiency complete the overall package. Once the frothing process finishes, the machine automatically shuts off to prevent overheating or burnt milk. It also includes dry boil protection and a thermal fuse that activates if temperatures exceed safe operating levels. These built-in safety systems provide added confidence during everyday use. At the same time, the low standby power consumption helps reduce unnecessary electricity use, while the automatic 5-minute power-off function further improves energy efficiency. Overall, the large-capacity 4-in-1 electric milk frother combines speed, versatility, quiet operation, durable construction, and dependable safety features into one practical appliance. For anyone looking to recreate cafe-quality drinks at home without investing in expensive coffee equipment, this milk frother is certainly worth considering. If this review was helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and click the affiliate link in the description below to check the latest price and availability. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next review.